Welcome children, this is your social class, the continuation of chapter 3, the lovely East. I hope children all are read your textbook proper, isn't it? So tell me, I will ask you some questions, tell me the answers. So the last class we have discussed the importance of which one? Kolkata and Bhubaneswar. Tell me, what is the capital of West Bengal? Yes, Kolkata is the capital of West Bengal, and Kolkata is situated along in which river? That is in Hooghly river, isn't it? And what is the capital of Odisha? Odisha is the capital of Bhubaneswar, isn't it children? Odisha capital is Bhubaneswar. So the last class we are discussed these two important cities, and today we are going to discuss what is the importance of Guwahati, Raipur, Ranchi and Kohima. These four cities importance, and what is the lifestyle of this region, and what are the important tourist attractive places. These everything we are going to discuss. Okay children, so first one is Guwahati. Have you heard about Guwahati? The name have you heard about? Yes, Guwahati is the biggest city in Assam. Assamile ഒരു biggest city ആണ് ഇത് Guwahati. Guwahati is the biggest city of Assam. Okay, and it is situated along the bank of river Brahmaputra. Which river? River Brahmaputra. ഏത് റിവറിൻ്റെ തീരത്തുള്ളതാണ് ഈ Guwahati? That is river Brahmaputra. It is situated along the bank of river Brahmaputra. Okay children, so Guwahati is the biggest city in Assam, and Brahmaputra river, that means this city is situated along the bank of river Brahmaputra. Okay, most of the people speak Assamese and Bangla. Which language? Assamese and Bangla. Assamese ennu parna language um Bangla ennu parna language aanu most of the people speak. Okay children, then Guwahati is famous for handicraft and woolen shawls. So important question is that Guwahati is famous for which are they? That is handicraft and woolen shawls. Okay, Guwahati famous ആയിരിക്കുന്നത് handicraftലും. What do you mean by handicraft? Handicraft made by hand. നമ്മൾ കൈനെ കൊണ്ട് ഉണ്ടാക്കുന്ന ഓരോ art forms. Okay, that is handicraft. Handicraft and woolen shawls. It's famous for this Guwahati city. Okay, and some important tourist attractive places. Which are the important tourist attractive places? Look at the board. These are the important places, tourist attractive places in Guwahati. That is Kamakhya temple. Second one is State Museum. Third one is Srimanta Shankaradeva Kalakshetra. Okay, then fourth one is Forest Museum. Which are the children? The first one is Kamakhya temple, second one is State Museum, third one is Srimanta Shankaradeva Kalakshetra, fourth one is Forest Museum. These are the important tourist attractive places. Okay, and one of the important thing is, what is their main festival in Guwahati peoples or Assam state? Which is the important festival? That is Bihu festival. Bihu festival is the important festival in Assam. So they are celebrated in this festival. Okay, Bihu is the main festival celebrated in the city. So Bihu festival. Have you heard about this Bihu dance? Have you heard about Bihu dance? Bihu dance kandavarundo? That is this one. Look at your textbook. You can see the picture. This is Bihu dance. Okay, so this Bihu dance is, or this Bihu's festival is celebrating in Assam people. Okay, so the importance of Assam, or the important biggest city is Guwahati. In Guwahati, in this city, important their people speak the language Assamese and Bangla, and this city is situated along the bank of Brahmaputra, and this Guwahati is famous for Guwahati is famous for handicraft and woolen shawls, and some important tourist attractive places are there, and Bihu is the important festival of this Assam state or Bihu Guwahati city. Okay children, this is the importance of Guwahati. And look at your textbook, you can see checkpoint, true or false. You want to find out true or false. First one is the Vidya Sagar Setu is built on river Ganga. Is it true or false? Yes. Is it false? So second one is most people in Kolkata speak Bangla. Is it true or false children? Yes. Is it true? And the third one is Bhubaneswar has many temples. Is it true or false? Yes, true. Because Bhubaneswar is also known as which city? City of temples. Bhubaneswar vilikkunna perana city of temples. So its answer is true. Fourth one is Bihu is the main festival celebrated in Guwahati. That is also answer is true. Okay children. The second one is the importance of Kohima. What is the importance of Kohima? Kohima is the capital of Nagaland. So which city? Kohima is the capital of Nagaland, and it is the beautiful city. You can see the picture in your textbook. One Naga is a traditional dress. One people is wearing one Nagaland, one traditional dress is also wearing here. So Nagaland is a beautiful city, and the climate is the summer season is pleasant, and others sometimes they are having rainy season also. And many people speak which language? Angami. Okay, the importance of the language is Angami. Then English also the peoples are widely spoken in that city. Which city? Kohima city. Okay, so Kohima is the capital of Nagaland. So important question is that. And which are the tourist interested and tourist attractive places? Which are they? That is, look at the board. Which are the tourist attractive places in Kohima? The first one is War Cemetery. Second one is Zugou Valley. Third one is Jafu Peak. Fourth one is Naga Heritage. And the last one is Picnic Spot. Which are they children? The important tourist attractive places in Kohima. That is in War Cemetery. Then Zugou Valley. Third one Jafu Peak, fourth one Naga Heritage, and the last one is Picnic Spot. These are the tourist attractive places in Kohima. Okay, Kohima is the capital of Nagaland. And one of the important thing is that in Nagaland peoples, they are celebrating, the festival name is Hornbill Festival. Which festival is that? Hornbill Festival. The importance of, what is the importance of Hornbill Festival? The Hornbill Festival held here in December. Every year in December they are celebrating Hornbill Festival. Okay, so Nagaland peoples are celebrating Hornbill Festival. So in which year the Hornbill Festival is held? In every year in December month. Okay, that is Hornbill Festival. And this festival shows the rich culture in Nagaland people. Okay, so this festival shows the rich culture. അവരുടേതായിട്ടുള്ള culture. ഓരോ സ്റ്റേറ്റിനും അവരുടേതായിട്ടുള്ള culture ഉണ്ട്, സംസ്കാരമുണ്ട്. അതാണ് ഓരോ അവരുടെ ട്രഡീഷണൽ ഫെസ്റ്റിവലിലൂടെയും അവർ നമുക്ക് കാണിച്ചു തരുന്നത്. So this is also one of the traditional festival in Kohima in Nagaland people. So they are held in every year. This Hornbill Festival, they are held in every year in December. So they are showing the rich culture in Nagaland people. Okay children, and the third one is the importance of Raipur. Raipur. So Raipur is the capital of Chhattisgarh. Okay, so which is the capital of Chhattisgarh? That is Raipur. Raipur is the capital of Chhattisgarh, and in one of the important river is flowing from there. There is Mahanadi river. Which river is that children? That is Mahanadi river. And the Mahanadi river flows near the city, and Raipur has many industrials, such as, which are the industrials are famous in Raipur? That is coal, steel and aluminium. Which are they? Coal, steel, aluminium. These are the important industries are in Raipur. and the climate is summer months are hot and dry and the winters are cold. This is their importance of their climate condition. And important, and there are also important tourist attractive places also from there, and the city is famous for its handicraft. Important question is that the Raipur city is importance of which one? Handicraft. Okay, and the peoples are Chhattisgarh peoples are speak Chhattisgarh and Hindi. Okay, which languages are people widely to spoken? That is the language name is Chhattisgarh and Hindi. Okay, so children, which are the important attractive places, tourist attractive places in Raipur? That is, look at the blackboard, children. So which are they? That is Vivekananda Ashramam. Then second one is Mahanad Ghoshdas. Third one is Memorial Museum. Fourth one is Shahid Smarak Bhavan. These are the important tourist attractive places in Raipur. Okay. The last one is the importance of Ranchi. What is the importance of Ranchi? Ranchi is the capital of which one? Jharkhand. Ranchi is the capital of Jharkhand, and one of the important river is flowing through the city. The river name is Suvarnarega, Swarna Nadi. Suvarnarega എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ അവിടെയുള്ളതിൻ്റെ Suvarnarega എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞതിൻ്റെ meaning ആണ് Swarna Nadi. Okay, so Suvarnarega river flow through the which city? That is in which city? That is in Ranchi, and there are many waterfalls from there. Important question is that which are the important waterfalls in Ranchi? That is in Dasam Falls, Hundru Falls, Sita Falls and Jonna Falls. These are the four important waterfalls in this city, that is in Ranchi. Okay, and Ranchi is also known as the city of waterfalls. Okay, Ranchi is known as the city of waterfalls. Okay children, so read your textbook proper. Everybody read proper. The important questions are there, so everybody read, write and study. Okay, thank you children.